Hello, I'm Sylvia. Welcome to my kitchen creations. On today's episode, we're going to make some delicious pineapple barbecue meatballs, guys. This recipe is packed with flavor. Stay tuned and I'll show you guys how easy this recipe is. We're going to start by cracking our eggs into a bowl. Next, add your milk. We're going to give that a good whisk before adding in our breadcrumbs. I'm using garlic and herbs for this recipe, but you can also use panko breadcrumbs if you have that. This is how it's looking after 2 minutes. You can always go in and add extra milk or breadcrumbs to your binder. We do want this to be a loose binder. Now add your ground beef to it. Season with some black pepper, smoked paprika, granulated onion, minced garlic, W sauce, and some seasoned salt. Go in with your hands and just make sure that everything is well combined. I like my meatballs to be uniform, so I'm going to use an ice cream scoop, but you don't have to. You can just roll them up into a ball and place them on your cookie sheet. This is how our meatballs are looking. Now let's move over to the skillet. Over medium heat in a large skillet, go ahead and add your oil. Once your skillet is nice and hot, go ahead and place your meatballs, and we're going to saute them for about 8 minutes. You can also bake these, but I do prefer sauteing them because they get nice and golden, and I feel like the flavor is so much better when you saute. After your meatballs are done, go ahead and place them into your crock pot. Now to make the glaze for the meatballs, go ahead and add your pineapple juice into a bowl. Add your barbecue sauce. Add some garlic powder. Add some granulated onion. I want my meatballs to have a little spice to them. You can also skip this if you do not want them spicy. Add some W sauce. Add some honey. And some ketchup. Give that a stir. This is how our glaze is looking. Now go ahead and give it a taste to see if it needs any additional salt. I'm going to add a little bit to it to bring out all those flavors together. Give that a mix. Go ahead and pour your glaze on top. Add your pineapple chunks on top. Place your lid and set your timer for 2 hours on high. After an hour and a half, this is how our meatballs are looking. Now go ahead and keep the lid off for the remainder of the 30 minutes so the sauce can thicken. Hello guys, so my pineapple barbecue meatballs are ready. Take a look. Doesn't this look amazing? I'm going to serve this tonight with some roasted broccoli and some white rice. Thank you so much for cooking with me today, and I'll catch you guys later.